Hollywood.
Hollywood under the knife. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Access Hollywood. I'm Shaun Robinson.
Hi, everybody. I'm Tony Potts. In an industry where every pore is intensely scrutinized, stars looking for the fountain of youth often find it in their plastic surgeon's office.
Plastic surgery mania has hit an all-time high in Hollywood, with many a surgeon on speed dial. Who's had it, who hasn't, and who's considering it?
One of our 2 operating rooms.
Dr. Lloyd Krieger of Rodeo Drive Plastic Surgery says the trends in cosmetic surgery have continued to change over the years.
We could see that in the 1990s, things were very exaggerated. We had Pamela Anderson with very big breasts. Now that we look in the year 2004, things are becoming a lot more natural. We're going back to a subtler change. We're really not changing people's overall appearance, but trying to turn back the clock and trying to give them a fresher, more vigorous look.
Some stars are all for that.
I've never had liposuction. I think if you can do it without, it's great. If you can't, why not?
I know whatever I can buy, I'm gonna.
Really?
Yeah, I already have some stuff lined up. Whatever needs to be lifted or tucked or sucked, I'm gonna do it.
Breast surgery now often is to just accomplish a lift to get rid of some sagging with age or after pregnancy.
Breast augmentation is as popular as ever, but Beverly Hills plastic surgeon Dr. Lloyd Krieger says he's seen a trend toward a more natural look. Instead of large implants, many patients are requesting breast lifts, where a small implant is used to change the shape, not increase the size. Last year, nearly 77,000 breast lifts were performed in the U.S. at an average cost of $4,000 for the procedure. Americans spent more than $305 million on breast lifts.
When women age or after pregnancy, they have less breast tissue than they used to have and more skin, and that leads to drooping. One way of resolving that issue is to put in an implant.
Now, celebrities who've had this procedure include Melanie Griffith, Cher, and Sharon Osbourne.
Welcome back to Plastic Hollywood. Well, women are not the only ones who are going gangbusters for plastic surgery, although you probably knew that. Last year, men had more than 1 million cosmetic procedures. That's up 31% from the year before. Here now are the latest trends for guys.
I go out and buy a new pair of shoes when I want to feel good about myself. It does the trick. If you need to have a little nip and tuck or an injection, that's up to you.
I saw like the guys get like pec implants and calf implants. It's a little scary. Well, you know, hey man, equal rights, dog. You know, you can't just say it's only for women.
JC Chasez hit it on the head. As more and more men jump on the metrosexual bandwagon, we're all learning that guys, particularly the male stars in Hollywood, are not shying away from a little cosmetic surgery.
Why not, though? It makes you feel good. Do it. You got the dough.
Well, there's no doubt that many more men are getting plastic surgery than they used to. For one thing, there's less stigma attached to plastic surgery.
Beverly Hills plastic surgeon Lloyd Krieger says these days men are cutting to the chase to stay hip.
Men additionally have career pressures. They face a lot of competition at work. They feel that if it appears that the clock is ticking for them, they're not as competitive as they might be. So they're using plastic surgery not to change their appearance, but to freshen it and keep them looking young.
Confidentiality rules prevent doctors from naming names, but it's no secret that some of Hollywood's top male stars are not ashamed to drop the cash. When you thought it was a procedure only for women, now some men are going under the knife for breast reduction surgery.
The way I would address this is with liposuction. Liposuction provides excellent results in cases like this without too much recovery time.
Although Lindsay emphatically denies being augmented, according to Rodeo Drive plastic surgeon Dr. Lloyd Krieger, many stars under 30 are going under the knife.
Young Hollywood is very concerned with the appearance of their breasts. Obviously, their bodies are up on screen or on TV. People are looking at them. It's very easy to perceive even a slight drooping of the breasts. So people will often come in even for a small lift to bring the breast back up to the position where it might have been when she was 18.
I don't think beauty equals happiness, but I think self-esteem equals happiness. But if that's what's gonna, make you happy, then do it.
Like, I think it's one thing if you really feel the need to do something to change yourself, improve yourself, lift, tuck, whatever. If you're doing it to make yourself feel better.